In this video, we're going to show you how to open a Chase Bank account. If you don't already have a Chase Bank account, we'll include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and receive a bonus. We will also add links to several other banks that offer sign-up bonuses, so you could check them out and see which one works best for you. Let's dive right in. Once you click on our referral link, you will be redirected to this page. Click on the option that says Open an Account. Before you start, you will see the list of the IDs that you will need. It's best to have them prepared. Then, scroll down a little. You will then be asked if you are an existing customer. In this video, we clicked on the option that says No, I'm not a customer. After that, click on Get Started. Next, in the fields provided, enter your full legal name as it appears on your ID. Once entered, click on Next. After that, enter your date of birth. Then click on Next. Next, enter your contact information such as your email address and phone number. Once entered, click on Next. After that, you will be asked to provide your home address. In the fields provided, enter your street address, city, state, and zip code. Once entered, click on Next. Then, enter your citizenship status and social security number. Also, verify your ID by selecting an ID type and providing the ID number, as well as the issuing state or territory. After entering all the necessary information, click on Next. On this page, read through the text provided for authorization for the Social Security Administration to disclose your SSN verification. Once read and if you agree, click on the checkbox provided to provide your electronic signature. Next, read the Consumer Report authorization. Once read and if you also agree, click on the checkbox provided. After reviewing all the information provided, click on Next and follow all the on-screen instructions on how you could open your Chase Bank account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.